Every day, approximately 76% of adults report feeling fatigued at some point, a staggering statistic that underscores a widespread struggle with energy levels. This fatigue can often feel like an anchor, weighing down not just our bodies, but also our productivity and overall well-being. In a world that demands constant engagement, whether at work, in social settings, or even in our personal lives, the significance of enhancing our energy levels cannot be overstated. When we feel energized, we are more productive, more creative, and more capable of enjoying life's simple pleasures. Low energy levels can have a profound impact on our health. They can lead to decreased motivation, increased irritability, and a general sense of malaise. Over time, chronic fatigue can contribute to more serious health issues, including obesity, heart disease, and mental health disorders. Thus, addressing low energy is not just a matter of feeling good. It is essential for maintaining our overall health and enhancing our quality of life. Understanding the common causes of low energy is the first step toward reclaiming vitality. Poor diet is a frequent culprit. Many individuals rely on processed foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats, which can lead to energy spikes followed by crashes, leaving them feeling drained. Additionally, insufficient sleep is a pervasive issue in our fast-paced society. With the demands of work, family, and social obligations, many sacrifice sleep to fit everything in, not realizing that a lack of restorative sleep can severely impact cognitive function and energy levels. Stress, too, plays a significant role. The pressures of daily life can lead to mental and physical exhaustion, making it difficult to muster the energy needed for even the simplest tasks. With these challenges in mind, it becomes crucial to explore practical strategies for boosting energy levels. One of the most fundamental, yet often overlooked aspects is hydration. Water is essential for nearly every bodily function, including energy production. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, so drinking enough water throughout the day can significantly enhance energy levels. A simple guideline is to aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water daily, but individual needs may vary. Carrying a reusable water bottle can serve as a reminder to stay hydrated, making it easier to incorporate this habit into daily life. Balanced nutrition is another cornerstone of sustained energy. A diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides the body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures a wide range of vitamins and minerals, which can help combat fatigue. Additionally, complex carbohydrates, such as oats and quinoa, release energy slowly, providing a steady source of fuel throughout the day. Pairing these with protein can further stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the energy dips that often follow sugary snacks. Regular physical activity is also a powerful tool for boosting energy. While it may seem counterintuitive to expend energy in order to gain more, exercise releases endorphins, which can elevate mood and energy levels. Even a brisk walk or a short workout can invigorate the body and mind. Aim to incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This doesn't have to be a daunting commitment. Finding activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, biking, or yoga, can make it easier to stay active. A key insight that can transform daily routines is the impact of small, incremental changes. Instead of overhauling your entire lifestyle overnight, consider introducing one new habit at a time. For example, start by committing to drink an extra glass of water each day, or switch out a sugary snack for a piece of fruit. Gradually increasing your physical activity by taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or setting aside 10 minutes for a quick walk, can lead to significant improvements in energy levels over time. These small adjustments can create a ripple effect, leading to greater motivation to make additional changes. Moreover, prioritizing sleep is crucial. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day can help regulate your body's internal clock. Creating a calming bedtime routine, free from screens and distractions, can improve sleep quality. This may include reading a book, practicing mindfulness, or engaging in light stretches. Quality sleep not only restores energy, but also enhances cognitive function, making it easier to tackle daily challenges. Managing stress is another vital component of boosting energy. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Finding time for hobbies and activities that bring joy can also provide a necessary escape from daily pressures, allowing for mental rejuvenation. In summary, addressing low energy levels is essential for enhancing overall health and productivity. By recognizing the common causes of fatigue, such as poor diet, insufficient sleep, and stress, we can take proactive steps to combat these challenges. Incorporating hydration, balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and stress management techniques into our daily routines can lead to significant improvements in energy levels. Remember, even small changes can have a powerful impact. By prioritizing our energy, we unlock the potential to live more fulfilling and vibrant lives. Embracing these strategies not only helps us feel better, but also empowers us to engage fully with the world around us, transforming fatigue into vitality.